Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I wanted to show you this adorable pink heart-shaped bag. This bag is from Target. It's a gift from my sister-in-law. She thought I would dress it up, and so I have, and I wanted to share it with you. It's from Wild Fable at Target. She paid $18 for it, and I wanted to use the pins that I posted on my previous video that I had embellished. And so this is what it looks like. This is the front of the bag. It is very small. You can see in comparison to my hand, it is little, and I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day if you want to give it as a gift or if you want to wear it on Valentine's Day. So this is what the front looks like. It does have a zipper here. It's relatively oversized, and I love that. It will fit quite a bit of stuff in there, so you don't have to worry about that. Keys, credit cards, lipsticks, compact. And then this is what I did to the back. So it says, keep your heels, head, and standards high. And I put a little shoe brooch there, and then I pinned the Chanel storefront and then the Chanel number 5 on the back side. So I used all the pins that I had purchased for my previous project, and I kept some for this particular bag. Now, I have shared in the past that I don't like using the straps that purses come with, because what I like to do is take this strap off. It's a long strap, so if you want to wear it crossbody, you definitely can. But I like using chain. So since it's gold, it'd be perfect for you to clip a gold chain. This is very long, so you can still wear it crossbody. And it just kind of changes the look of it. It makes it look a lot more expensive. Any hardware makes it look. Heavy hardware, gold hardware makes a bag look a bit more expensive. You could add a charm dangle if you'd like, but you can see how adorable this will be for a gift or for yourself. So I wanted to show you what this bag looks like alongside the shoes that I just designed, and you can see if I pair that together, that pop of color really brings out the white and the design of the shoe, and it all goes well because of the theme. So I love how that looks all together. If you haven't seen the shoes, I'll post them down below if you'd like to follow this DIY. Now, since we're talking about Valentine's Day, I wanted to show you just some of my cute purchases and some of the things that I've created that I think that you can make for yourself for Valentine's or maybe as a gift. And I'm going to start off with this cuff, and it is again Chanel inspired, and you can buy any cuff that you find online. It is such a fun and creative thing to do, and you put chains and embellishments, any that you have in your collection. I'll post links below as to where I purchased some of these items, but you can see how pretty this one turned out. This is a bit large for my wrist, but I still wear it, and I definitely like wearing it over button-down shirts on top of the cuff itself, and it is just beautiful. This is just an idea of what you can give to someone special in your life on Valentine's Day. So another item that I think is adorable for Valentine's Day is this adorable teddy bear clutch. I've shown it in the past just to kind of give you an idea of how adorable it is, but I think it's perfect for Valentine's. I have given a friend a teddy bear clutch bag for Valentine's Day, so I thought it'd be perfect to share it. I'll post links below if you guys want to look into getting yourself one or one for a gift. Now, another gift that I think would be super cute and adorable is this thank you little bag, and it is rhinestone encrusted, and it looks like a shopping bag, a plastic shopping bag. And every time that I wear this out, people stop me and ask me where I got it, because it is just super duper cute. Now, the shipping does take quite some time, so you won't probably get it before Valentine's Day, but it is definitely something worth looking into because it's very unique. It is very sparkly, especially in the sun and at night. And it'll hold quite a bit of stuff considering that it's relatively small. But I think just it being so unique really makes it a fun and interesting gift. So for the theme of Valentine's Day, I don't know why I like miniature things, so I wanted to show you one of the bags that I designed previously. You got to see it in my last video, but doing a DIY custom gift for like Valentine's, a birthday, or any holiday is really special. I have given a lot of my designs to people in my life, and they have cherished these items forever. And I really enjoy giving something personalized to someone. So this is one of the bags. This is a miniature quilted silicone bag, and it is super cute. I've gotten a lot of use out of this bag, and I did wear it recently combined with these shoes because why not? They're both quilted and they go very well. So I thought that you would consider maybe designing something or maybe working on one of my projects for one of your family members or dear friends. So the next item I want to share with you would be perfect for that special someone in your life that loves clutch bags. This is still kind of small in comparison to what I like to wear, but for Valentine's, I like giving compact gifts. This particular bag is an Amazon pick of mine. It is in my Amazon store. I will post links down below. This one is in royal blue. They have it in red and black. And it is by Valentino by Mario, and it has the Valentino marking here in royal blue. And it is a very spacious bag. It has a very large zipper compartment. It is very spacious. You can see that it is lined, and it has compartments for your phone or for maybe a compact of lipstick. And it is a button closure. And it is a beautiful bag. It comes with a long chain, so if you want to wear it as a crossbody, you can. You can also detach the strap. And so gifts like this are perfect. This will not break your bank. You won't believe how much it costs. I'll post links down below so you can take a look for yourself. Okay guys, so another one of the gifts that I recommend is creating your own beetle bag. I have done 3 different crystal clear stadium bag designs. I've done the Coco Clear, I've done the Diamonds and Pearls, and then this beetle bag. And it is very sparkly. It is very beautiful. You could see all the garnet crystals and then the crystal clears with all the different beetle embellishments, and I think it turned out so beautiful, and it reminds me a little bit of a ladybug, and so I thought that it would be ideal for Valentine's. You can do it for yourself or for that special someone that loves a lot of sparkle. Again, I'll be posting links below to the video so you can see how I created this in case you want to try your hand at it. So the next item I want to share with you is my honeybee and honeycomb crystal clear PVC bag. Now this one is so beautiful because the bag itself looks like honey, and then it has the honeycomb with the bees all throughout and then crystal clears. I made this charm and this bag out of earrings, and I took apart a necklace to be able to create the main focal point for the bag. It is a small little clutch, and it is perfect for Valentine's Day if you want to try making it for yourself, or perhaps for your honey, your friend, or that special person in your life that loves clutches and anything sparkly. Okay guys, so the next item I want to share with you is another DIY project I did a few years ago, and I wanted to share this bag because this bag has been with me for some time. It gets so much wear, and it's perfect for Valentine's Day if you want to give it to that special someone, even if that special someone is you. And the reason I say that is because not only is it beautiful and it sparkles, and who doesn't love that, but it has quite a few hearts. And I think it's absolutely beautiful. And I think it's perfect for Valentine's. So this was one of my favorite projects. I know I say that a lot, but like really, it was a super favorite project. And so many of you loved it too. And so many of you remade this bag along with my butterfly clutch. So I'm going to be posting videos down below. I give you all the instructions on how to make these. So if you want to customize a gift for someone special, I encourage you guys to do so. If you like videos like this, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up or pop a comment below. Perhaps do both. If you're not yet subscribed, I invite you to do so down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.